This is about to be a good one.
Hold on.
They've all been great, but this is about to be a good one.
Hold on one time. Crowd, this is some extraordinary shit that's going on the floor tonight. Okay?
Crazy.
Are y'all liking what you see? Make some noise. Okay. Let's keep that energy, all right?
Vicious by nature, y'all go first.
10-minute battles.
10-minute battles. We got 10 minutes of get down.
Whoa.
Freestyle session. Show me some love. Drop the beat. Let's open this up, brother. Open this up. Brother, you gotta open this up. I'm sorry. You gotta
Hold on.
Tell him, Ivan.
Yeah, it looks wet. There's somebody was so excited.
Flag on
somebody was so excited and they
from New York. We got Flag from New York on the ones and twos.
He's not from New York.
Let's go.
Oh, he lives there, right?
No.
Switch. How about this? Switch sides. No.
Baltimore. I got excited. Make some noise for the backbone of hip hop in the house. Give it up for the DJs, y'all. Flag.
Straight to the point. It's going down.
10
Let's
minutes.
go. Weapon X. Ha. Vicious by nature.
Vicious started it off.
It's on, and it's on, and it's on.
AZ in the place to be.
Here we go.
Zulu. He's been breaking before he could walk. Check out the style. Rebel BC 111. Allstars on the floor.
Little Zoo.
Beat the style. Yes, y'all. You don't stop.
Go, Zoo.
Rocking the beat. B-boy style.
Oh!
Originality. Routine. Let's go.
Uh-oh. Me! Woo!
Master Mace.
Oh!
The Maya boys.
Master.
MZ to the K.
There he goes.
He got them linebacker rounds. Oh, he having fun now.
Oh, tombstone. Oh.
What you got? And get
Hey. Little G.
Let me see, mijo, let me see. Red Bull, BC1, Allstars.
Here we go.
Rap.
Oh.
Latin America in the house. Whoa! Oh, yeah. Turn it up. It's getting hot in here.
Come on.
Cool Breezy on the floor.
Vicious by nature. On the respawn.
The artist on the floor.
And the running man. Give it to him. Oh.
Oh, yeah. Oh, with the slide. Woo! Get Stick with it. Look at it closely. Look at it closely. He doesn't live to live.
Victor!
BC1 champion in the house. Red Bull. Living legends in the building. Living legends in the building.
This is what he does. The champ is here.
With the slide. Vicious by nature. Get funky with it.
Come on. Come on.
From the bottom to the top to the bottom. Can we rock? Can we rock?
Everybody sliding today.
We got 5 minutes left on the clock. Let's go.
5, 5, 5.
What you smelling, pimp? What it smell like, pimp? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It's getting heated.
He went there. He went there.
Lilu, what you gonna do?
Lilu. Oh.
With the twist.
Yeah.
With the twist. Watch him. Watch him.
Oh. Come on. Come on.
Oh, he went under the legs. He went under the legs. You gotta press rewind if you're at home to see that one. The judges see. The judges see.
I know. We saw that.
The judges see. Thank you.
Oh.
Gravity.
Gravity. Oh.
You want it? I got it. You need it? I feed it.
Come on. Oh. Come on.
Nagin.
Oh, man. I missed it. Come on. Nikki. Red Bull. Allstars. And it's on.
Lean and mean. Nagin.
Where you at with that? Where we at?
It's all love. It's all love.
Melissa.
Vicious, back it up.
Vicious by nature.
Red Bull, back it up. Beat girls in the house. Check out the style. Red Bull.
Phil Wizard.
The one and only.
Oh, he little wizard. He's got that magic. Last round for Vicious. Last round for Vicious. Make it count. After this, last round for Red Bull. Make it count.
Oh.
Crews, back it up. Both crews, back it up.
There you go.
Weapon X with the flex. Toma, toma.
Come on.
On 10.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Vicious, back it up.
Red Bull
vote is on
BC1
the floor.
Allstars. Home 10.
Ooh, with the pause to bring back, let's go.
Whoa. Oh, man. Yeah, yeah. Crazy, 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 crazy. Home 10, home 10, home 10. Ah.
Stay to your side, stay to your side, stay to your side, stay to your side. Keep it open, let's keep it open. Let's keep it open. Let's keep it open before the decision. Let's keep it open, let's figure out the decision.
Whoever's on the stage, get up this side.
Once again, give it up for both of these crews, y'all. They put it in tonight. We're gonna see who's taking it. Let's wait.
Casper.
Hold up, hold up. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's going to the next round? Let's go. Freestyle
3,
session.
2, 1.
BC1 All-Stars. Give it up for Vicious by Nature, y'all. They got a sick-ass squad.
Going to the finals.
Those